Don't bite his tail.
Boop.
God. Ow.
Oh, what?
Don't bite his tail.
Come on.
I owed him up.
Aqui, ó, vem cá.
Speed, bitch. I'll show you some real speed. Go, go.
No. No.
You okay? Was that catnip too much for you?
Okay.
Excuse me?
Hoş geldin.
Time until I found out.
Amanda, open the door.
Hey. 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 Hey.
And every time it.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yeah.
He's like growling, but
One singular black cat hair? One singular black cat hair?
You guys. Oh, Taco. Oh, Frank.
what have you been up to? What was that sound? Walter! Excuse me?
You know what? It might be like 6 months to find rental coming in. You know what?
Macaroni turns 1. Oh, ow.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Percy!
doing?
Behind you!
Oh my god!
Why, thank you.
What are you doing? Oh no.
Zeus!
Cats. I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it.
Hey.
Are you comfortable?
No! What are you doing? Beans! Why are y'all just chilling like that?
Make the right choice, okay? Hey, 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 hey. That's not it.
Fluffy dog. Fat bitch.
She was so innocent.
There's nothing there. What's wrong?
They heard the can open.
Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus!
Making sure that the world is well known that it is her and her alone.
His tail. Oh. Meow.
It's you!
What are you doing?
Meso.
It's just a slip.
Dude. Okay, I got.
Let's sing a song, yeah? Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Tony.
Titingnan mo yung guidelines na nung binabasa ko. Let's say, for example, kung private vehicle.
Do that.
Shimmy.
Do you have any words of wisdom today? Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. I am. Thank you.
Не надо. Ты.
Sana güzel bir mama alacağım Minoş.
Fucking relax. Thank you.
For her hands.
Come here, buddy.
Krieger. Why are you so bad?